Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. If you guys have any doubts, comment down below. And today we are hacking, guys. See? Who is that saying, Gagan? See this. Kilora. And we have this called Bridge Builder. What the does is it builds a bridge for you. And this is Kilora. If you guys wanna see, okay, let's play this. Let's try here. And we are in the game. And this is my favorite map. I just died right now. I'm gonna rush. I think blue. Yes, I'm going. I'm buying wood too because I don't know if my teammates will defend or not. So it's right here, guys. Wood, wool, and this is enough. I'm building. See this? See? And now I'm gonna show you how to build a bridge. See this bridge builder now? I'm not clicking anything, but it builds a bridge for me. I'm not building, guys. And because I have Kilora, they can't even touch me. See? I can even kill them so easily. This is so easy to kill them. And I am breaking their bed. That's it. They are gone. And I am killing them too. Because I am hacking. I have Kilora. And blue team is eliminated. And there is 2 red guys and they are dead. They are dead. See? This Kilora is just OP. And the red guy is running, so I am chasing him. He's going to destroy our bed. He's dead. I'm gonna rush red right now. I think he's gonna kill me. Yes, he killed me. And is he alive? He's running. So I'm gonna get some blocks and go there. And if you guys know this place, comment down below. See this guy, he's grabbing all the iron. And guys, I got the blocks. I'm going to raid. See me build the bridge. And he's dead. This guy is going to my bed. So guys, I'm dead. But I'm gonna I think he's gonna break. No, we have Instone and our teammate is helping. And this guy is dead. And there is another guy. He's dead too. See? I'm not doing anything but they die. But I don't have any blocks, so I'm going back. Guys, our bed was destroyed. I didn't even know that. So we need to rush red quickly. I'm buying iron sword. Here it is. And a fireball and 2 blocks. I need some more iron. Here we buy. I need some more blocks. If this is enough, I'm going, guys. Where is my teammate? I have 7 kills, guys. Oh, my teammate is right here. And he's dead. I'm gonna destroy red right now. I'm just trying to, if it, but I don't take any knockback because I have anti knockback. That is a cheat too. So this stupid silver fish, it's just annoying. Now their bed is gonna be destroyed. Guys, we need to hurry. And yes, their bed is destroyed. Now I should not die right now. Guys, I think I will be dead right now. Yes. Yes guys, we did it. And this is my last game today. And the video will be ended. See, this hack is very powerful, OP. And if you guys, I'm not gonna tell this hack to you guys. I just hate this map, guys. And guys, I bought some blocks and the golden apple. I wanna off this bridge builder. And this guy is coming already. And guys, I killed him. And I'm going to their base to destroy their bed. So I need to go quickly before they see me. And he didn't even cover the bed. And their bed is gone. And he is dead too. And this guy. Our bed is destroyed too. Who did that? Guys, it was red and he's dead. Red dead. How nice it is. I'm gonna eat this golden apple. And this green guy is at our base and he's dead right now. He's dead and I'm gonna kill this last green guy. And in our team, I'm the last one. So I should not die. And he will be dead in a second. He's running. I think he knows that I'm here. And he will be dead. Why is he so annoying? And he's dead. I'm going here. And it is blue. They have wood, guys. I'm trying to break them. They have a stone. How would I destroy their bed right now? I don't have it. I don't have a golden apple and a pickaxe even. I just need to kill them. And now I'm buying a pickaxe. Please don't kill me. Yes, I have a pickaxe. And their bed is gone. And they will be dead in a second. And one guy is dead. There's only one guy. Red's bed is gone too. So that one guy is there. I need some blocks. Blocks, please. If he just comes right now, I'm just dead right now, guys. Why is this? Yes, this is enough. I'm going. This red guy is here and the blue guy. They both are dead. I have Killora, so they can't just kill me so easily. And my net is too slow for this. How do I do this? Guys, what the heck just happened? Okay, this is it for today. Okay, bye guys.